right now?
Yes.
Very lovable. Thank you.
And we're here for another episode of Monday
Blind Bag. So we have the bucket filled again. So Teddy's gonna be joining us today, and he's gonna be helping us open blind bags. And so yeah, let's get started.
What's in there? What is it?
What is it? Grab a blind bag. Grab one. Grab one, baby bear. Look, baby bear. Grab one. Get a blind bag.
Look, baby. Here's a blind bag for you.
Oh.
Too heavy. He got my blind bag.
Yay! Oh, he's so cute. You need a just biting close, Teddy. Not chew it. Oh, he's so cute. Alright.
So Teddy got one for me and I got my little pony. Teddy, get one for mommy.
Get one for mommy. I like Zoom Zooms the best.
Oh, he got it.
Oh, thank you, Teddy. Oh, I love you so much. Yay, I got Zoom Zooms. Teddy got me Zoom Zooms.
And I got my little pony.
Alright, let's open it.
Right, I need the scissors too. What again? I got ready. Oh, and she has glitter.
Oh, that's cute.
This is she keeps great advice.
Oh.
Ready? I need some advice.
So I got Zoom Zooms, and this was marble Zoom Zooms.
I like this one with the pumpkin. So cute.
Alright, so I'm gonna put it together. Alright, there's mine, and this is Hobgoblin.
Finally. It takes a while to put those together.
Yeah.
Okay, and to our next blind bag.
Yeah.
Teddy just left, you know, he can only be here for a little bit. I don't know, he doesn't like, he gets stressed
Scared.
out. Yeah.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I got Minecraft.
I got DreamWorks Trolls. Oh, I got this one. It has blue hair, and it's purple, and it has yellow pants. Look at its hair.
Remember, you get to see all the toys at the end of the video. Don't go anywhere. Ooh, who did I got?
What did you get?
Okay, so I got Ghost Fight. Let's put them together. Alright, there it is.
Wow, that looks so cool. Alright, on to our next blind bag.
I got Marble Series 2. This is the collector's earrings.
I got Swinky's Dewdrop.
And I got Vision. He looks mean, or he looks like he's very angry, pissed off or something.
Mom. Okay, we're gonna open it up. We have 1, 2,
Oh wow!
and 3.
Nice.
Alright, so the first one, it looks like a snake. Yeah, so we got Chrissy Hissy.
Crazy hissy.
We don't like snakes.
No, we don't like snakes.
And then this one is Elephant.
Elephant.
And it was right above it.
Oh.
And both of these are common. And I think I'm gonna put the hat on the elephant because the snake is already green. Oh, it looks so cute.
The snake is already ugly, so.
Mom.
All right, on to our next blind bag. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I got Giftems.
I got Simpsons Marvel Mystery Pack. Hopefully we don't get the same character. Yay, we did it.
Let's see who I get. I like this Giftems. Last time I got USA. And this time I got Germany. Berlin. So this one's called Becca Berlin. Germany. Woohoo! Germany. Maybe someday I'll make it to Germany.
So I got Rocket Raccoon.
And here is Becca Berlin. She is so pretty. There.
Aw, she's so cute. I love her pink hair.
Yeah. Alright, on to our next blind bag. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I got Happy Places from Shopkins.
I got Tim Burton's The Night Before Christmas.
Yay!
Oh, I got Sally.
Oh, she's so cute. See her again.
I'm gonna watch this movie. I love this movie.
Yeah, good movie.
Good movie.
You know this blind boxes come with 3 blind bags. Okay, so I got a kitchen set. It's a toaster and a butter with a knife. So cute. Okay, on to our next toy. Are you ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I got
Oh,
The Nightmare Before Christmas.
And I got the crusty chocolate bar.
Let's see it again.
What did you get?
Oh, you got Zero.
Oh, I love Zero. He's so cute. Alright, so I'm gonna open up my figures. Okay, so let's see which ones I got. She got a pineapple. Alright, so I got sour pineapple, and that is a ultra rare. Yay! And it has a soft texture.
Yeah, it's the first time we ever get this pineapple
Yeah.
actually.
Alright, let's see which one this one is. So I got burrito. And this one is a common.
Nice.
Ew. The one
Gross.
burrito.
I know. Okay, we have more blind bags. Are you
Yeah.
ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I got Whisker Heaven.
I got squishy pops.
And I got Nile. Okay, and Nile, I think it's a jasmine spit.
And I got Fluttershy. And what's cool about this, it can...
Oh yeah,
Stick.
that's nice. We have our last 2 blind bags. Woohoo! Ready?
1, 2, 3.
I got Krusty Chocolate Bar.
I got Rad's candy dispenser. This is from Shopkins, and I got Strawberry Kiss.
Ooh, nice. Let's see who I got. Okay, we got Sickly Salsa Sauce. And it is a rare. It's a rare figure. Ooh.
Nice.
Then I got Doji Donut, and it is a common figure.
So, I got it together. I filled up the candy, and before I gave anyone candy, it also comes with a Strawberry Kiss poster, and it has a picture of Strawberry Kiss. And you can also hang this from your backpack. Me personally, I have one in my locker. All right, see what color she gets. She got blue. Yummy, yummy blue. I know Daddy's gonna get one. He got blue too. Let's hope that I get blue.
She's gonna get green.
Green. What? No way. How'd you know?
I don't know, I just knew.
Oh my gosh, she's like a fortune teller. Can you tell me what your future is?
Oh, it's your future is bright and you're gonna get really rich, really famous, and you're gonna finish university with a great career. You will get married, have 2 kids, travel all over the world, and live until you're 100 years old with plenty of health, happiness, joy, wellness, everything.
All right. Well, cupcakes, here are all the figures we got. These are my figures. My favorite is Strawberry Kiss, Sally, and Sour Pineapple.
And these are my figures. I have 2 favorites. My favorite number 1 is Germany, Berlin, Becca Berlin. And my second favorite is this from Happy Places.
Well, cupcakes, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and we'll see you in the next video.
Teddy, did you want to say goodbye? Teddy's sleeping.
He passed out.
Goodbye without Teddy.
Bye.
I like this one with the...
Nice move, Mom.
I think we got the purple elephant before. I can't say it. Never mind.
Stinky soda. Oh wait, no, I didn't.